I'll guide you through the 3-2-1 backup rule and how to use it for effective data management without getting lost in confusing technical setups or risky solutions. If you're looking to make your digital life virtually impenetrable and need to master the 3-2-1 backup rule for effective data management, then this tutorial will guide you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The 3-2-1 rule is the gold standard for data security. It ensures maximum redundancy against hardware failure, theft, and natural disasters. Here is how we implement it. Part 1, the 3, meaning you should have 3 copies of your data. Your first copy is your original data, the files living right now on your computer or server. Your job is to create 2 separate backups of this original data. This guarantees that if one copy fails or gets corrupted, you have 2 others to recover from. Part 2, the 2, meaning storing your data on 2 different media types. You must store those 2 backups on 2 different kinds of storage media. This protects you from a single point of failure, like a brand of hard drive having a critical manufacturing defect. Media type 1 should be a local disk for fast recovery. This is your first backup copy. You can use an external hard drive or network-attached storage. This is your fastest option for recovering files quickly after a minor mishap. Media type 2 should be a cloud storage for offsite protection. This is your second backup copy. The key here is that if your house burns down, this copy is safe and physically remote. We recommend checking out dedicated backup services like pCloud or iDrive to manage your backup copies. You'll find direct links in the description.
Part 3, the 1, meaning storing 1 copy off-site. It simply means one of those copies must be kept physically separate from your primary location. The easiest way to achieve this is with the cloud storage mentioned above. Because the data centers are geographically separate from your home or office, they protect you from site-specific disasters like a flood or localized theft that could compromise both your primary device and your local external drives simultaneously. This step is your ultimate safety net. Your process should be automated. The moment you create a file on your primary drive, it should automatically be pushed to your local external drive and then to your cloud storage. This multi-layered backup strategy is made simple by using dedicated tools like iDrive, which handles both the local and cloud copies seamlessly, or pCloud, a powerful solution for your off-site copy. You can find links to both services in the description.
For advanced data redundancy management, check out the description below. Now that you've learned the 3-2-1 backup rule and how to use it, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more data security video tutorials. Thanks for watching.